In today's episode of Byte Sized SWE, I want to talk about performance reviews, more specifically, how to best prepare for them. Usually, you'll have to do one of these every 6 or 12 months, depending on the company. It's a stressful process no matter where you are. This could potentially make or break your employment, so it's important that you get this right. When I first joined Meta many years ago, one of the seniors on my team gave me some great advice for keeping on top of the performance process. She said that every week, on a Friday, as the last thing you do before clocking out for the week, make a note of all the things you did that week organized by each of the 4 performance axes. It doesn't matter how large or small, just write everything down that you did. Add links where applicable. The reasoning behind this is simple. When the time comes to submit your performance review, you want to make it as easy and as low stress for yourself as the process can possibly be. Keeping track of everything you did throughout the course of a half or the year will give you a massive head start. You'll not only have a detailed log of all the items you can use to fill your evaluation, but more importantly, you'll make sure that you don't leave anything on the table. 6 to 12 months is a long time, and likely your brain will forget some of the small pieces of impact that you made, and if you don't meticulously write it all down, it's gone. Sure, you can comb through all of your old code and posts to remember, but the chances are something will slip through the cracks, and this only increases with the longer time horizon that you need to remember back on. This approach makes it so much easier to write your packet when performance time actually comes around, and it keeps you accountable to yourself. You never want to see a completely empty weekly update. Push even just one thing to the list, and you'll be amazed how much that can compound over time. Do you keep track of your weekly accomplishments? Do you keep track of your impact in another way? Let me know in the comments down below. This has been Byte Sized SWE number 4, and I will catch you in the next one.